Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I will show you exactly how to link an Oyster card with a Railcard. Connect your Railcard to your Oyster card can save money and your experience convenient. By linking these two cards you can enjoy discounted fares and access the various services. First, answer that you have a valid Oyster card and Railcard. If you do not have either of these cards, you will need to apply for them separately. Then visit the official TfL website or go to any TfL ticket machine at the top station. Now navigate to the section where you can manage your Oyster card title, Manage your card. Here, look for an option to add your Railcard. This option may name differently depending on the website or ticket machine you are using. It could be labeled as Manage your discount cards, Add a Railcard, or any similar phrase. Next, follow the instructions to enter your Railcard number and any other relevant information. Make sure to double check the accuracy of the details you provide. Once you have successfully connected, start enjoying discounted fares on all eligible journeys. Connecting your Railcard to your Oyster card can be done in a matter of minutes and can save you significant amount of money on your travels. Make sure to check the terms and conditions of your Railcard and Oyster card to fully understand the discount and benefit they offer. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.